In this video, I'll show you how to watch latest movies legally for free on your iPhone, iPad and Android devices. Now, the first platform on my list is called OSN Plus. Now, one thing I love about OSN Plus is that you can actually watch a very high quality of, movies and TV series on this platform legally for free. Now, you can see there's so many stuff to access on this platform and they're all click and play. If you click on anything, you can go ahead and just play that immediately. That was one thing I also like about the platform. Now, their app is available for Android devices and also for iOS devices. If I go to the Google Play Store right now, you see that they are having over 10 million download, which means that this platform is worth your time. Now, next on my list is called Plex. Now, Plex is a platform where you can actually access a very large category of movies, TV series, and live TV channels. If you take a look at their live TV channels, you can see that they have so many types like sci-fi, comedy, sports, so many to keep you fully entertained in here. Then when it comes to their movies, action, animation, comedy, and so much more, and it's simply click and play. I don't want to waste your time, so let me just click on anything, like anything random. So let me say this, for example. If I click on it right now, you are going to see the watch free button, and just like that, I can go ahead and watch this movie on the platform. Now, Plex is also available on the on the iOS App Store and also on the Play Store, so you can go ahead and download the app to enjoy a lot of movies legally for free. Third on my list is Just Watch. Now, Just Watch is a very powerful search engine. The reason why I call it a search engine because Just Watch actually directs you to where you can actually watch your movies and TV series. So if you are looking for any movie at all, even if it's the latest movie, just come on Just Watch or download the app and then search for that movie, and it's going to show you where you are going to be able to watch that movie. Now, if that movie is also available on some legal platform to watch legally for free, it's also going to show you those platforms. So let me say I want to watch this, for example, right now. If I'm to click on it, I just have to scroll down and it's going to show me where I can actually watch it. Right now, you can see I can watch it on Netflix. Now, if there were some other legal platform where I can actually watch it for free, it would have also showed me here that, okay, I can go and watch it for free on those platforms. So do give Just Watch a try. Now, next on my list is Viki. Now, Viki is a platform for, people that love Korean dramas, Asian dramas, international dramas, Indian dramas, and stuff related to that. So if you love those kind of content, you are definitely going to enjoy this platform that is called Viki because you are going to find so much of those content on this platform. And it's also a click and play platform, which means that you'll be able to watch anything you want just by clicking on it on this platform. Now, they also have apps available. If I go to the app section, you can see they have app available for Android TV, Chromecast, Fire TV, for iOS and also for Android. So do give this platform a try. So let me check on it. Okay, you can see they are having 100 million downloads. Just by seeing that alone, you should already know that this app is worth your time. So go ahead and install Viki today and give it a try. Now, if you are finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button because doing that is actually going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. And I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time just to do that. Now, next on my list is called Streamio. Now, Streamio is only available for Android devices. You can get it on your Google Play Store. Now, you can go ahead and download this app, and with this, you'll be able to legally access movies and TV series on their platform, just as you can see on your screen right now. So do give Streamio a try. You can see it's having 10 million downloads, which means that it's going to be worth your time. Now, last on my list is called Canopy. Now, Canopy is a very powerful platform that has a lot of libraries of movies, TV series, and so many other stuff to access on their platform. Now, the only thing about this platform is that the only way you'll be able to access it is if you have a student card or a library card. So if you have any of that, you can come on to Canopy and then you'll be able to access so much content on their platform. Now, the app is also available for Android and iOS, just as you can see right now. You can see it's having 1 million download currently, so you can give it a try. There's no ads and there's no payment. You can clearly see it there. All you just need is your library card, your student ID, and you are free to enjoy everything that you are going to be finding on their platform. Now, let me give you guys one more bonus. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys this platform as a bonus. and this is called the Roku channel. On the Roku channel, you can actually access a lot of content. Now, this platform might actually be country locked, which means that you'll be able to find this platform majorly if you are in the UK or you are in the US. That's how you are going to be able to access this platform. In here, you can access a lot of movies, TV series, and so many other stuff. Just hold on, let me check if it's available on the Google Play Store. Alright, as you can see, it's clearly written here, your home for free and premium TV. So let me scroll down a little bit. You can already see different content you are going to be finding on this platform. Now, it's available for the Roku TV, it's available for Samsung TV, it's also available for Android and iOS. So you can go ahead and give this platform a try. Now, in this video, I think I listed about, let me say, 7 platform or 8 platform. So just give each and every one a try and let me know which one you actually prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.